Hi, this is Jerry Jenkins. Today I'm going to show you some techniques to use your keyboard to do some things you normally do with your mouse. And this is much faster because you don't have to move your hand to your mouse, and they're very common operations when you're working with text. So we're going to use the arrow keys on your keyboard and the control and shift key. So first, you probably already know if you just use the arrow keys, you can move your cursor up and down, left and right to move the text cursor. And so the first shortcut is if you hold down the shift key while you do that, it will select text. So you can select text in preparation for copying it or deleting it. You can also select text backwards. So hold down shift and hit the back key, the back arrow, and it goes backwards. If you hold down shift and hit the down arrow, it'll select whole lines at a time, or the up arrow, so you can adjust that. So this works in a lot of situations. Anytime you have a keyboard that's attached to your Windows machine, your Mac, your Linux, or even if you have an Android phone or tablet and you have a mechanical keyboard attached to it, you can also use it for that. You can use it in web browsers. Anywhere you actually see a text cursor that you're typing in normally supports this. Now there's one more trick. This is really cool. You can hold down your control key and hit arrow, and it jumps forward a whole word at a time. And in some programs you can hold down the control and hit down arrow. It'll jump between paragraphs. So that's kind of cool. And the shift works as well. If you hold down control and shift, it'll select words at a time, going either forward or backwards. So just to review that, let me go to this next screen here. So you use the arrow keys just to move the cursor. If you hold down control when using the arrows, it moves words. If you add shift, it selects whatever you're moving over. So it can select words or characters. And as a bonus, you can hold down control and hit backspace to delete words backwards. So let's look at that. So if I've just typed this and I made some mistakes, I can just hold down control and hit backspace, and it deletes entire words at a time, so you can exactly delete the words you need. So that's a nice shortcuts for you. Thank you for listening.